Towards the end of this review, I'm going to answer the following questions, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I want to show you this amazing drink that me and my fiance make all the time. I want to preface this with saying if you're looking for a carbonator that is minimalistic, this is the one for you. Very simple. It comes with one bottle, and originally I thought we needed more than one, but honestly we only need one bottle. Very simple to use. Just push down the lever and you can just see it in action. It's adding a carbonation, and I kind of wait until that hissing sound comes, and then I let the lever up and it decompresses, which is pretty cool. Screw it off carefully and you can see the carbonation, and this is where the magic happens. Pour it in a cup and it gives that really nice fizz, and this is what we use to make our drinks at home every day. Very high quality machine. If you're looking for something that's minimalistic, this is the one for you. Now for the questions. What is the CO2 machine made from? It's made from high quality stainless steel, according to the box. Where do I get the CO2? There are quite a few different CO2 companies, the canister companies out right now. So just make sure you get the one that screws in. There's one that's quick connect and there's one that's screw in. This particular machine does not take the quick connect. You have to get the one that screws in. Is it easy to clean and maintain? Yes. We've had this for like 2, maybe 3 months, and we haven't had to clean it one time. Does it produce any loud noises during operation? I wouldn't consider it loud. It does a buzzing sound when it's done adding carbonation to the bottle. And that only lasts maybe 1 to 2 seconds. So I'm cool with it. It doesn't bother anybody in our house. Can I carbonate anything other than water? Absolutely not. The instructions made it clear that you should not be doing anything other than water, which brings me to my next question. Can you use syrups to make flavored drinks? Yes, you can. This is what we do. We make the carbonated water and then we add syrups to it. We also have an energy concentrate that we add to it along with the syrups that gives it a nice crisp flavor. And the last question I have for you is, will the bottle lose carbonation if stored in the fridge? No, it will not. I'm always shocked at how much pressure is released when you unscrew the top off the bottle after taking it out of the fridge. That's the best sparkling water I've had. And it just feels better when you're making it yourself.